I just said is about what I really believe is the next innovation spiral, where you use the virtual world to try, communicate, experience, design, simulate, test, and produce. And we need to have solutions that fit. Not one solution for all, but well packaged, well thought user experience. So users in front of their screen will say, that's cool, I can do my job. That's why the branding is so profound for us. And we're focusing across the group on 6 critical factors. Global collaboration was, really very pleased to see customer testimonial here. One of them, I don't know if it's the one we have not seen that Jeff rejected, so I apologize. Jeff refused the video, but maybe you can show it today. One of the customer testimonials said, this is a communication tool. And doing global businesses is a communication tool. It's a very, very profound one. So collaboration is about communicating. Second thing, lifelike. Lifelike is cool, because the virtual world, when it fits with lifelike, it's easier for everyone to understand. The third thing is, for some companies, one day they will have to connect, like Yahoo Flickr, like Google. What is cool about those platforms is no matter where you are around the world, you can see your email. It's not always the same with Microsoft Exchange, frankly speaking. So we have to find ways to do Google Type, not Microsoft Type. So we will have platforms to make sure SolidWorks users somewhere can connect. Hey guy, I'm here, you are in Australia, wherever around the world. Let's connect. That's what we call the platform, the online platform. And online creation. Is there someone who believes that SolidWorks one day, I don't know when, will be online, not as a desktop, but online? Of course, yes, it will be. It has to. And there are technologies here which are going to be very critical and which will be shared across the group to make sure that this is happening. So it's not about user interface, it's about making sure it can be online. On the business processes by industry, a lot to say there. People are expecting things that work for their business. And of course, with the online, you have reduced cost of ownership. More to say, but I'm trying to give you what we believe as Dassault Systems with all the brand themes are common things that will require shared technology to make it happen for all the key brands in the group. So the branding system, and by the way, a side note of that, the reason why this virtual world is also so cool is I think we can serve much more the eco-design. There is a lot of needs to test new materials, to experience with new materials, to imagine new solutions. I don't think the current industry can provide answers to an environment just by expanding what we do today. There will be a lot of transformation. So we have to imagine new solutions, we have to imagine new materials, we have to provide new ways to simulate the behavior of those materials. We have to remove waste, complexity, we have to reuse everywhere, we have to do eco-experience. What is eco-experience is don't do something physically before you have tested it virtually. Because you spend materials, you spend money, and you waste too much energy. So those kind of things are common across all the brands too. And that has a lot of implications. So in short, there is a family name, it's a company name, Dassault Systems. We want to make sure that everyone understands that while there is a company name, which is a family name, we have brands that covers scope and spectrum of things as a market promise, as a customer value, with SolidWorks for the design experience. So people say, well, but if SolidWorks is the design experience, what is CATIA? CATIA is for virtual product. The ambition for CATIA is for no matter what is the complexity of any of the most complex products on this planet, we want to make sure we can make it. We can design it. The promise with Simulia is you can always test it. You can always carefully test it. That's the promise. So it's not about non-linear stress analysis. That's the technique. The promise is virtual testing. The promise for them here is virtual manufacturing. Can you run the plant before it exists? And validate it. And the promise with Innovia is about global collaboration on IP sharing. Because IP sharing is not an application issue. It's an infrastructure issue. On 3D VR, the last baby is just starting, and it's about using 3D as a media, as a medium, I should say, as a medium for shopping experience, selling, marketing, for what we call data repurposing, reusing what has been designed to be used everywhere. So that wave is a consistent across the company wave, and that's why we have the multi-brand, and the summary is very simple. I tell you something.
Create, share and experience in 3D. Dassault Systems. See what you mean.
You see what I mean? Thank you very much.